Hello, and thank you for checking out how the Loan Officer AI CRM can help you grow your mortgage business. My name is Chris Johnstone from Connection Incorporated, and in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to use AI and your CRM in order to create more deals right now. We're not talking about lead gen, we're talking about referred leads. We run a podcast. It's called the Loan Officer Marketing Podcast, and we have interviewed 49 of the top 100 loan officers in the nation, and every single one of them generates the majority of their business from referrals. The most recent statistic is that 87% of funded mortgages come from referrals. Now, the easiest to get referrals in your mortgage business is your database. So we have a year-long sequence pre-written for you to provide value to your database and get referrals from your past customer database. We also include all of the tools that you need in order to be successful. One of them is a power dialer. So every single month, the right contacts from your database are automatically added to the power dialer. So you just show up, pick the list, hit the power dialer, and you are talking to the right people so that you can provide value and generate more referrals. Now, the second pathway to scale with more referrals is professional, qualified realtor referral relationships. So inside the CRM, we give you all of the qualified agent data of all of the agents in your local marketplace and another year-long sequence with all of the emails and the text messages and the call scripts that you need in order to reach out and generate more appointments with qualified realtors. Now, you can't just reach out to all of these qualified agents with the same offer over and over and over again. So we have built 7 proven offers that get qualified real estate agents to book appointments with you. You take the agents inside the system and the agents that you already have relationships with, load them into these proven campaigns, and automatically book appointments with those qualified agents. And again, the whole thing is hooked up to the power dialer. So all you have to do is log into the system, pick the list, hit the dial, and away it goes, and you are talking to the right contacts in order to generate more referral relationships. Now, the third way that we help you scale more referrals and close deals in your mortgage business is by helping you with your deals in process. That is your pre-approvals and the actual deals that you're working on funding. And we have pre-built campaigns with the emails and the text messages so that you get more referrals from your pre-approvals to other borrowers, because we know that when they are pre-approved, they're hyperactive and they are hyper referral sources because they're talking to everybody that they know about the fact that they're buying or selling real estate. Well, your opportunity to get those referrals to other people is simple as taking that contact, dropping it into one of our pre-done workflows, and it reaches out in order to keep that buyer engaged and generate referrals. Same thing for your deals in process. Now, the other opportunity that we create for you within the system is also reaching out to the professionals that are attached to each deal that you have either pre-approved or in process. So your pre-approvals, there's a sequence that will automatically reach out and update the real estate referral agent that referred you that deal, which gets you more referrals from that agent and deepens and strengthens your relationship. Now, the fourth pathway to helping you grow your mortgage business is getting you leads for free. Because in step number 2, one of the offers that we give to qualified agents is, hey, we will help you work your leads, turn them into pre-approvals, and then refer them back to you as a free service. So what ends up happening is these agents that are spending thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars a month on lead gen are taking those leads, giving them to you for free. You're loading them into pre-built, pre-proven workflows inside the CRM. The CRM is doing the outreach, and when people respond back, AI gets the messages, responds to the messages, qualifies the leads, and books the qualified leads on your calendar so that you can pre-qualify them and then refer them back to the real estate agent. Now, I know that's a lot of information to get in a short period of time, but this is a custom-built solution for us in the mortgage industry to generate more referrals in your business. So right now, let's go into the system and let me show you the features that we have built specifically for the mortgage industry so that you can determine whether or not this is the right fit for you. So what you're looking at on the screen here is behind the scenes inside the CRM. We have automation workflows for all of the different pathways that I just told you about. We call them launches because each of these is one that you build and launch, and then you generate ongoing results from in your mortgage business. So we're going to go into the database activator, which is the 12-month long process for your database. So you work with our team during onboarding because you get 3 one-on-one onboarding calls with our team. And then we are known for our world-class support. If you go to our Google reviews on Google, you will see people raving about the fact that we are with you through the process of not only building and launching your CRM, but we have an open Zoom call every single day that opens at 10 o'clock in the morning. It shuts off at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and our entire team is on that Zoom call waiting for you if you have a problem or a question or want something built inside the CRM. Simply click the support button in the CRM, join the Zoom, and we are there to help build things with you. No appointments, no wait times, just support. Now, when you go to launch your first workflow, you simply add the contacts to the CRM and add a tag to the people in your database. That drops them in, assigns them to you, creates and updates an opportunity tracker so you can track the results over time. Then it adds them to the power dialer and then starts sending them messages. Well, if that person does not reply to the message, it then sends a text message follow-up. Now, if they don't reply to either the email or the text message, it waits a week and then follows up one more time and then waits to the next month to send the next value-based message. Now, because they've been added to the power dialer, you're also reaching out, giving them a call, and connecting with them in order to provide value and ask for referrals. Now, the incredible part about the software here is if they do reply, that response is sent into our AI system with this prompt. And what happens is the AI understands that this is a message from your past customer database. It uses our proven scripts to write the response to that person from your database, and then it sends you an email or a text message. And it says, here is what your client said, and the message is in there. So you can see exactly what the client said. And then here is the response from ChatGPT. And ChatGPT's response is right there. And then it says our AI can automatically respond to this message for you. If you approve the response, simply click yes. If you click this hyperlink in the email, the CRM automatically sends the message out to the client. This saves you hours and hours of time every single week by you not having to think about what to respond back to the client, yet you're still in control of the entire communication process because you're vetting every message that goes through the system. So you get fast responses, incredible, well-written responses that are always using the right script, and you're able to convert more appointments and give a better customer experience to everybody that you're working with through your CRM. Now, this AI technology is built into every single workflow that we have inside the CRM. Let's move to the next one, which we call our qualified referral partners. You can see here we have one for past referral partners. So these are the agents that have been on either side of the deal in the last 2 years that you've worked on to re-engage those relationships, and also referral partners of people that have sent you deals in the past, but you don't have an active deal with right now. These are, they should be sending you deals, but maybe they've gone somewhere else because you haven't kept in touch with them. That reactivates those relationships and gets those appointments booked for you. But this one here, the qualified real estate partners one, is arguably the one that gets the most results short of reaching out to the database. And here's why. Inside the system, we have this qualified partners list tab. When you click on there, all of the qualified agent data in your local marketplace is in there, and you can see all of the data, but then you can also export those contacts directly into this workflow. When the lead is imported from the data source, it automatically goes into the top of this workflow, gets assigned to you, the user. It updates an opportunity tracker, which I'll show you in just a second here, adds them to the power dialer. So all you have to do is log into the CRM, go to the power dialer, hit the dialer button, and you are calling qualified agents in your local marketplace. It drips out only 100 a day so that you can handle the responses and the appointments that are booked. And then it starts emailing. Like I said, there's 7 offers pre-built into this flow, and it goes for an entire year. So imagine for a moment that you're stacking 300 qualified agents a month into this system. Let's just dive into the math here for just a moment. I believe that in our industry, there's no lack of opportunity. It doesn't matter what the market is doing. If you look at the largest lenders in the nation, they only make up 7% of the total volume of deals that are done. There's plenty of opportunity for all of us. But up until this point, there's been a lack of clarity and a plan and support and a pre-built system for loan officers to be able to get to work and actually implement the CRM. So many people have lost opportunity because they got stuck in the technical of trying to implement a CRM, which is why we double down on support and launch your system with you and then support you by being there every single day when you need something done to actually do it with you inside the customer support calls. That's why I'm so excited for you to hop on the phone with one of our people and discuss the solution and how you feel that it can be right for you. Now, we've got 2 other opportunities to discuss here inside the system. Now, I call this our 6-figure secret because one of our clients, Jerry McGuire, actually closed over $100,000 in commissions using this one simple strategy. And it's this little feature that we have built right here. When you load a past customer or a real estate agent or somebody that you're working with regularly into a workflow, we can connect that workflow to your Facebook advertising account. And then just the people that are in that funnel start seeing your advertisements on Facebook. Once this is set up once, you never have to touch it. The ads run and you are able to get exposure and your brand through advertising in front of the highest quality opportunities that you have for referrals in your marketplace. So your database never forgets about you and qualified agents see your content and your experience in the local marketplace so that when they have a little bit of friction with their current lender or they have a deal that they just can't get done in their current situation, you're top of mind and you're the person that gets the call in order to win that relationship. This feature right here is incredibly powerful. The next incredibly valuable tool is our calendar integration. So no matter what calendar you're using, we integrate with it. And once integrated, you get a custom link that shows all the available times in your calendar. Now you can customize this to only open certain days or times during the week. And then you have automatic links in every single workflow that we build for you via text and via email, where people can simply click on the link, find a time that works for them, and book into your calendar. This is how we automate the process of past customers booking appointments with you or qualified referral partners automatically booking appointments with you in your calendar. It's an incredibly powerful feature that's totally automated by AI, because once AI has that calendar link, it's able to send it to people in conversations in order to get them to book an appointment with you. The next feature that our clients rave about is our success trackers. And these are a way for you to see each opportunity that you have in your business. So each of the workflows that we have, each referral partner that you have, and each deal process that you have in your business, you can create a custom opportunity tracker inside your CRM. And now we have them pre-built for you, but you customize them the way that you like. And then when you get a contact, they are automatically added to the right stage. Then as you apply tags to those contacts inside the CRM, or simply go into the pipeline, grab them, drag them, and drop them, they are tracked through each stage of the process. Now, the incredibly powerful part of this feature is not just seeing where everybody is and what results you're getting from each of your funnels. It's that there are automations that are triggered when somebody gets to a new stage in a pipeline, which can automatically move them into a workflow and send them emails and text messages and whatever automations you want to send them on the back end based on the fact that they've moved to a different stage in your process. So for example, in how that works, if you have an appointment that gets booked and they go into the appointment booked category, well, we have an appointment show up sequence built right into the CRM that automatically reminds the client of the date and the time that they booked their appointment, and it gets them to show up. But it also reminds you or whatever agent is on your team that's been assigned to that appointment, and they show up because they get reminders of the appointment date and time. All of that automatically triggered by a contact going into an opportunity pipeline. So this is another incredibly powerful feature that we have. Now, there's so much value here. If you just want to get on with our team, there's a button below where you can book a one-on-one consultation, talk to our team. We'll give you a live demo of the CRM. But another thing that people absolutely love is just how crazy we are about customer support. So if it's outside of the Zoom hours, we've built this custom AI agent that's totally trained on the CRM. You can come in here, click the voice button and talk to it, and it knows everything about our CRM and can help you during office hours if you're working on something to actually get you support. And one of the most common uses of this is working with integrations. So we integrate with Arrive and many of the other major platforms in the mortgage industry, so that when you have something that happens in another CRM, it's automatically zapped over to our CRM and updated. So those pipeline trackers that I just showed you can be automatically updated from another tool that you're using once we help you connect them together. Now, I've saved one of the best features for last, because I showed you how the AI takes care of specific conversations within workflows, but we also have this tool called AI agents. And we have voice AI built right into the CRM. This means that once you have your phone number set up, people can call your phone number and a voice AI agent will pick up the phone with our proven customer support script specifically built for the mortgage industry, so that nobody ever goes to voicemail and they always have a fantastic experience. Now, that voice AI agent can be set to real-time transfer calls to you or somebody on your team, or to book an appointment on your calendar. We know the majority of customers do business with the first lender that they talk to. This conversation with AI to answer their questions and then book an appointment counts as that first conversation. So you can put these voice AI agents on the phone numbers that you're using to call out to your database, on the phone number that you're using to call out to your qualified agents. And when those people call back, you can have a customized voice AI that picks up the phone, delivers an incredible support experience, and makes sure that you're notified of that conversation. It records all of the conversations in real time and puts them in the CRM, and even sends you a synopsis of the call so that you know who called and what happened on that call. Now, the other AI that we have built is our conversation AI. So the voice AI, they can call it and talk to it. The conversation AI, they can text it or email it, and it has the responses for them. We have agents pre-built to help with collecting leads from open houses, to collect with leads that are coming in from online leads that just want a little bit of mortgage information before they go out and give an offer on a home. And then we have our general customer service bot that's pre-built for the mortgage industry so that you can have a 24/7 always on answering service, but it is AI picking up the phone, responding to your emails, and responding to your text messages in real time. And again, we have everything pre-built for you. All you have to do is come in, customize it with your contact information, and tweak it as you like your scripts to be done, and your system is up and running. And we are right there along with you throughout the whole process in order to make sure that you're successful with it. So what you do now is buy the system. So click the button below this video and purchase. And the reason why you can do that confidently is because we have a 30-day, 100% money back guarantee. So there's no risk to you right now. You're not actually investing in the program. What you're doing is you're trying it out and making an informed decision to see if this is the right fit for you. So you put your payment in now, claim your system, go through the entire onboarding experience where you get 3 one-on-one calls, and our team will actually help you build and launch your first system inside the CRM, get access to all the training, all of the support, and at the end of 30 days, if you don't feel it's right for you, we will cheerfully refund 100% of your money and we part as friends, because we want you to know how powerful this solution is and the results that we can get for you. If it's not a great fit, no problem. At least we both know that you tried it, and we're both going to learn along the way so that you can have a stronger mortgage business and we can deliver a better product. Now, the other option that you have right now is to book a one-on-one demo with our team. If you've got a specific question about a specific feature or a specific way that you're thinking about growing with the CRM, our team is happy to chat with you. So you can click the button below, book a one-on-one consultation with our team, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Again, my name is Chris Johnstone. This is the Loan Officer AI CRM, and we are thrilled to have you experience the customer support. So what I'm going to leave you with here is a video from Frank Garay talking about our customer support, and then some screenshots of the recent reviews that we've had on our Google profile of other loan officers just like you that have invested and had a phenomenal experience on the other side growing their business. Again, now take action, right? That's what generates results. Quick action, make sure it's the right fit for you, and we'll see you on the other side.